How to remove TikTok. You may like suggestions. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the "you may like" suggestions on TikTok. If you're tired of seeing random content pop up that you're not interested in, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First, open your TikTok app. Tap on the search icon at the top. Here's where TikTok usually shows you the "you may like" section with random suggestions. If you don't like what you see, you can quickly refresh the page by tapping the refresh button until the content changes. That's the fastest way, but let's go a little deeper. Now, head to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Content Preferences, and then select Refresh Feed. Choose a reason, for example, just curious, then hit Done. This resets your feed and tells TikTok to update the content it suggests. Next, go back to Settings and Privacy and tap on Activity Center. Under this section, select Search History, then tap Select All. Delete. This clears old searches that TikTok may be using to recommend unwanted content. You'll also want to check your notifications. Scroll down until you see Personalized Post Suggestions. Make sure to turn these options off, especially posts you might like. This prevents TikTok from sending you extra suggested content. If you've done all of this and you're still not happy with the suggestions and you keep seeing content you don't want, here's one more trick. Scroll down to the Help Us Improve section. Tap on the suggested searches are not interesting or are not personalized. Choose the type of content you don't want to see, hit Submit, and TikTok will adjust your suggestions. Finally, close the app, reopen it, refresh one more time, and your "you may like" section should look completely different. And that's it. While TikTok doesn't have an official reset button, these steps are the best way to clear and customize your suggestions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment for more TikTok tips and tricks.